Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine Isozie. Welcome back to my old subscribers, and thank you for joining me to the new viewers. This channel is all about natural skincare tutorials and general lifestyle. Today we'll be learning how to make a repair herbal soap. I called it a repair herbal soap because it contains herbal ingredients that can help you repair and heal troubled skin that has eczema, ringworm, and general blemishes as a whole, especially extra dry skin as well. It will help to get into the skin and repair and clear all those skin blemishes that I mentioned. So we get right into the tutorial. We already have the black soap measured out here, and on it I already have shea butter. So now go ahead to add coconut oil. I also add my honey. Then glycerin. And I add my aloe vera gel, stabilized. I always prefer using stabilized aloe vera gel. And that's the plant. Go ahead to add mint powder. Mint powder. Then moringa powder. Then I go ahead to add cinnamon powder, then umiaro, coconut water, not like the water directly from the coconut. As you can see, is brownish. The water, coconut water, is always transparent, but this is coconut water. You just ask them for umiaro. So we have all our ingredients, then I'll start pounding to get all the ingredients mixed together. We are still pounding to ensure that all the ingredients get incorporated properly into the soap. We're almost there. Here we are, our soap is ready. After pounding for a while, all the ingredients have been incorporated properly into the soap. As you can see, it's now in the form of a paste compared to how it was before we added other ingredients and started pounding. So what I'll do is to transfer into a container with a cover. So I'll close it tightly. When you want to bath with this soap, you first wet your body, apply the soap all over your wet body, allow it to sit for like 2 minutes, then you use your sponge, wet your sponge, then scrub all over your body, wherever you have eczema, those with very dry skin, excessively dry skin, and also ringworm. Then you rinse off. By the time you use for like 2 weeks, you should see positive changes. I'm very sure you got value from this video. For those of you that have been struggling with acne, has it given you self-esteem issues that you can no longer go out without wearing makeup? You always have to cover the scars and hyperpigmentation with makeup. You don't have to be depressed about it. I was there, I know how it feels. That was why after I was able to overcome acne and all the scars and hyperpigmentation, I wrote a book, the Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne, to help those that are also going through it to be able to come out of it. The book talks about the different kinds of acne that we have, what predisposes your skin to having acne, the myths and facts about acne, so you don't just go believing what everyone says, but finding out the facts about it as well. The book also talks about how your skin thrives in different seasons and climates, different foods you can eat to achieve a clear skin, and the foods you should stay away from if you have oily, acne prone skin. It also discussed the basic regimen steps, skincare regimen steps on your journey to a clear skin, affirmations that can help you develop your mindset, to being free in your mind so you can eventually be free on the outside, and how you can transition from an acne-ridden skin to a flawless skin. To get your own copy of the acne handbook, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on it to get your own copy, and I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comments after you've gotten your own copy of the acne handbook and you have read whatever questions you have. I'll be glad to respond to every one of them in the comments. And also, I'm sure you got value in the making of this repair herbal soap. I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comments. Whatever questions you have, I'll be glad to respond to every one of them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you got value. Do like the video, share as well, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Click on the notification bell so you always get to know once I have new content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.